Change your name to Petty for no reason. Okay, in this part, we are going to not state the obvious reasons that you should stay, okay? You know, there's very obvious reasons why you stay. You guys get love, work well together, you guys have the same goals, etc., etc., etc. But we're going to talk about the things that are not so obvious as the reasons why you should stay. Okay, let's get going. Shall we? Let's start it off. Ask yourself, am I petty? Okay? If you are, then you need to stay and work on your pettiness. Facts. Okay? How do you know if you're petty? I'm going to give you an example. If you start arguments and next week you don't know any of the things that you argued about, change your name to Petty for no reason. Okay? Alright? Because you mad petty.
Exactly.
Okay? Not only should you not leave the relationship, you better hope they don't leave your behind.
Exactly.
I'm going to give you an example of how women be petty. Okay?
Let's hear it.
I'm so sick of you leaving the toilet seat up. I asked you over and over and over again to put the toilet seat up. Ma'am, you are not upset about this person leaving the toilet seat up. You are mad that you keep asking them to put it down and they don't.
That's it.
You don't put the toilet seat up when you get up from using the bathroom for them.
Okay.
You ever thought about that? So I'm going to give you a real quick solution to your problem. If the toilet seat is up in the bathroom when you go in there, put the toilet seat down.
Put it down.
Gonna save you a whole lot of stress. It's not that serious.
It's not that serious at all. Listen, if you're in your head a lot about the relationship, having mental arguments, don't leave. Stay and work on it. It's not fair for you to be in your head creating problems that aren't even there, that they didn't even know about. You end up mad at them for stuff that they didn't even know about. Instead, you could set up a time to sit down and talk to them about it. You know, instead of walking out and leaving. Don't leave. Talk about it, man. Especially if it's you having to create them mental arguments in your head. Arguing with them. They didn't even know they supposed to be arguing with you.
Right.
You walk in mad.
Right. You arguing with yourself. In your mind.
In your mind. This is what I'm going to say.
Right. And they don't even know. And then you mad. And they be like, what's wrong with you? And then you got to explain.
Exactly.
That you mad at them for nothing.
How that work?
How that work? If you clearly see yourself growing old with your partner, stay. Okay? Because listen, in my past relationships with some of my exes, I couldn't see myself past 5 p.m. that day. Let alone a lifetime.
Exactly.
Please.
Oops, time to go.
Time to go.
Last but not all, if they get on your nerves a lot, but you still love being around them, stay with them. Yeah. If everything was perfect, it would be boring. Listen, people don't go to the movies because they want it to be perfect. They want the drama.
Right.
And in life, you want just a little drama.
A little bit.
Just to remind you of how much you love them.
Yeah, you want a little bit of drama. You want a little something, right? Because if you come home and everything is freaking perfect every day, let me just tell you something. You think you want that.
Exactly.
But you don't. Okay, you want a little something. Men need a little something to fix, okay?
That's right.
Women need a little something to complain about, okay? That's the way a perfect relationship works.
Fixing and complaining.
Fixing and complaining.
Sounds right to me.
Sounds just about right.
All right, guys, we're going to leave it right there.
Like.
And share.
And please, whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace.